In today's video, I'll be teaching you how I make my fried rice. First things first, I wash my meat. I am using beef. I use beef most of the time. I wash my beef with salt. I wash it twice, and then I proceed to put it into the pot that is already filled with water. And then I proceed to seasoning it. I add a little salt, and then I add mixed spice to it, curry masala, but it has other spices in it. And then I season it with I prefer using cubes, not seasoning cubes, to any other seasoning cubes out there. And then I give it a good turn and proceed to add in my onions. I like adding onions to my meat. I add onions to it, turn it, and then proceed to boiling. I boiled it for I think 7 minutes, then turned it off. The next thing is to wash my veggies, my green beans, my carrots, and my bell pepper. I chop them and then they're ready to use. Using carrots, green beans, bell pepper, onions, scotch bonnet pepper. On a pan, I add my oil, and then I proceed to add in my carrots. I chopped carrots. I actually fry this for 5 minutes, 4-5 minutes. I prefer frying it first and then proceed to add in my green beans. After 4-5 minutes, I add my green beans, and then I fry for an extra 4-5 minutes as well before adding the bell pepper, the onions, and then the scotch bonnet pepper, and then fry for a few minutes. Then I proceed to season the veggies. I add cubes to it, and then I add a little salt to it since I already spiced the meat water. And then I turn and fry for a while, for 3 minutes, and then I'm done. I set it aside to continue with the rice. I wash my rice 3 times. I first wash it twice, then parboil, and then wash it a third time. I prefer washing my rice first to remove any impurity, any dirt there is. I cannot cook my rice without washing it. I don't. I wash and then I parboil. Now that I'm done washing the rice, I pour it into a clean pot filled with water, and then turn it and cover it to boil. I parboil my rice for 10 minutes before washing it the third time. If you've watched till this point, kindly give me a like, a comment, and share this video, and turn on post notification to get more videos like this. In the pot, I pour in my meat water. I already spice it up a bit, so I won't be using much spice. I'll add extra water to cook the rice. Then I proceed to adding curry, because that's what gives it that fried rice color, that greenish yellowish color. Then I add salt, a little salt, the remaining scotch bonnet pepper, and then onions. I turn it and then cover to cook. I actually wash my rice like this the whole time. I scraping it out bit by bit to avoid, adding stone, to remove stone. Because sometimes most of this rice would have sand or tiny stones, to avoid someone eating stone. Now the water is boiling and I proceed to pour my rice in. It boiled for like 20 minutes before it dried up. It took about 20 minutes to cook very well. And we are done. I actually like making my fried rice like this. I don't mix everything once. I actually mix it bit by bit whenever I want to eat it, because fried rice, one thing with fried rice is that fried rice actually spoils fast. It spoils fast, so I do it like this to avoid it getting spoiled. Just add the quantity of rice I want to eat at that moment, then mix it with the vegetables, and there you have it. Perfect fried rice. One thing I love about fried rice is I can eat fried rice anytime. In the morning, afternoon, night, anytime. It's my go-to food. Like, I love fried rice. It's my favorite. Just dishing out the what I would eat. Doesn't this look appetizing? If you've watched to this point, kindly leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and help me grow. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.